Hello, I'm gonna show you today how we can insert pictures inside a Microsoft Word document. The first way, of course, is go to Insert and use the Picture button. Picture, Insert, voila, we have it here. Now, if we don't have any pictures, we can always go to a website, for instance, and search for one. The usual way is to right click on it, save image, put it on your hard disk, then choose it from your hard disk. Or we can use the other way, which is the screenshot here. We can screen clipping, we can choose part of the screen that we want, and we have it inside of our document. Now, as always, in all of Microsoft Office suite, we have for every object a different new tab that can be added that helps us accommodate this image more and to make it more customizable according to our needs. We see here we can do some corrections. We can put like this, brightness, contrast, different options are all available. We can always change also the color. Can add artistic effects. There are a lot of artistic effects, predefined one. Okay. And of course, we have different picture styles, as you can see here. Border, no border. Okay. It's not showing here because it is on the second page. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Soft edges. Okay. It's not showing here because it's already a white picture. But as we can see, it is taking a lot of space because it is now in line with text. If we want it to look better, we can always use this option. Of course, if it is too big, we can always change the size and then choose other types of wrapping. Can even put it behind the text, in front of the text. Okay, square is good enough for me. Now, if this picture contains parts that I don't want to see, we can always go to the crop option. As you can see here, we have these on the sides, also here, that we can use to crop parts of the image that we don't want to see. Now, it's cropped and we can always, okay, also we can change the size, even if we don't want to use these on the side, we can always specify the size in numbers. Okay, like this, that we wanted to be done. Crop more, voila. Okay, and of course, we could always change the angle of the picture either by hand or by clicking here for the more advanced options on size and rotation. You see here I can specify in numbers that I want it 40 degrees. Okay, now it is 40 degrees. Don't forget to like and subscribe.